Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing a little product review. This AvalonKing ceramic armor shield 9 coating. I think I said that not in the right order of words, but this is armor shield 9 from AvalonKing. So today we're doing this Hyundai Veloster. I think Velociraptor sounds way cooler though, so I think we're gonna call it that through the remainder of the video. Has pretty good paint right now, but we're hitting it with a quick one-step correction after the wash, of course. Carson's gonna help us with that. Black paint, so it's gonna look poppin' after we apply this coating, I'm assuming. So my research that I've done on the product is pretty easy to apply. So what we're gonna do is just go through the exact steps, how to do that, and then show you guys the finished result. Maybe some water beading tests, because I know everybody likes to see that. Thank you very much to AvalonKing for sending me this product. And thank you much, Brandon, for supplying the car, because heck yeah, we're gonna have it looking good. I think it's a win-win all around. This car is gonna be looking real nice. So let's get to it. So, quick unboxing. First thing you notice when you get the Armor Shield 9 packaging is it looks like an Apple product, which is absolutely a compliment. This stuff is packaged well. So let's just kind of slip this off. Literally feels like I'm unboxing a new iPhone. All right, so this kind of slips off and we are greeted with this. Very cool. Put that aside, and then, man, I did kind of open it before, so my grimy fingerprints are all over the place, but that's all right. So we got this card. The bottle itself, which is, I mean, this just looks quality. Feels quality. Set that down. This package comes with an applicator, which is right here, and then a microfiber towel, which is underneath. So real quick, let's just pull that out. And then a suede applicator. Oh wait, those are gloves. Oh, how fun. Comes with gloves, the applicator thing, and what looks to be a sticker of some sort. So that's it. As far as the unboxing, quality, presentation, I give it a 10 out of 10. The lads are finishing up drying the car, and then we're gonna hit it with the paint correction, followed by the coating itself. Let's buff off this this half panel. Carson's getting a little ahead of himself, but it's good. We're ripping through this quickly. We have 3 people on the project, and this stuff is really, really easy to apply. So we'll update you when a few more panels are finished. So we're kind of flying through this coating, which is a good thing because it's so easy to apply, and we got 3 people on the job. I mean, we've maybe been coating for 20 minutes and we're already halfway done with the car. The stuff is going on easy, it's coming off easy. The entire process is really just applying it like we did in that other clip, leveling it with the included towel, which is of the highest quality. So this crosshatch pattern works really well for application. And then it'll rainbow, get that effect going. How long are we supposed to wait until we level it, Mr. Pro?
Usually about, for these products, 60 to 90 seconds.
So we'll wait, level it, buff it off, and then watch that beautiful shine. And this part right here is probably the easiest because I have worked with a lot of ceramic products. And this is just different, man. So if you're looking to do this at home, obviously we got 3 people on the job, but this is a 1-person job for sure. Easily done in an afternoon. So the most time-consuming part is obviously the prep, and that's the most important part as well. We did a full paint correction on this car. It took, what would you say, an hour?
The car was already pretty good, so it was just a final polish to be on.
Yeah. So it was an hour, and then we were buffing off the polish, the two of us. So the prep is the biggest thing. Also, in between the polish, we did an isopropyl alcohol wipe just to make sure everything was totally prepped for the surface. So the ceramic coating adheres just how it's supposed to, and it'll stay long lasting. This guy's a professional, utilizing the gloves that came with the box. Oh yeah, look at that action. What's up, Colin? Yo. Nicely done. Oh yeah. Generally, you want to apply it in like a 2 by 2 foot area. Since there's so many of us working on the car, we're able to utilize the work. Kind of get through this faster, spread it over a larger area. But if you're working on this yourself, do a 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 foot area, level it, buff it off, repeat. But it's coming along nicely. Cannot wait to see this thing when we pull it out. This black paint is gonna be popping. Woo! Bit of commotion going on, busy day. We have wrapped up the complete exterior of this car as well as the glass. Hope you guys can hear me. So, we're finished. And the results kind of speak for themselves. We did the glass, windshield, headlights, obviously all the paints. So a quick walk around, and man, it is looking clean, this black paint. I told you it was gonna come out nice, and it sure did. So the great thing, probably my favorite part about ceramic coatings like this, is the ease of maintenance washes. So next time Brandon wants to clean his car, all he has to do is spray it off with foam, maybe give it a quick wash and then spray it off. Water just beads off like crazy, and then hit it with some sort of ceramic booster or detail spray, and you're right back to this. So here's kind of the after. Again, looks awesome with this cloud cover. You can really see the deep gloss, and we can actually get up here and see, oh, that's a straight up mirror. Thanks to both these gents for the help. Carson licking the paint. Don't consume this stuff, by the way. So that's gonna wrap up the video. Maybe in a little future test, we can see the longevity, look at some hydrophobic properties, some water beading, things like that. But as far as the application, it's pretty simple. Anybody can really do it if you dedicate an afternoon to it. Again, thanks very much to AvalonKing for sending this out. I think this product's really gonna last, and I guess we'll see. We'll do an update video maybe later this summer. But if you guys are new to the channel, want to see more stuff like this, hit subscribe, like for that sweet algorithm. Until next time, we'll see you.